My name is Erica, and today I am going to show you some ideas on how to transform simple pine cones into something so fabulous, you're going to want to show them off at your dinner table this Christmas. Woo! Pine cone Christmas trees. Pine cone Christmas trees. Gather up some pine cones either at your local craft store or right in your backyard. Clean out the bugs. Don't want those on your Christmas table. And let's get going. All right, look at how stinking adorable these are. Can you see these? The creative possibilities are endless on how you can decorate these, all right? I actually spray painted most of these because I spray paint everything. Spray painting them is probably the quickest way to completely cover them with color, and it dries really quickly. If you want to just use traditional paint and hand paint them, you can just use an acrylic paint, a craft paint, and you can do something like an ombre design. Oh, I see I have one brave soul watching me this morning. You can do an ombre design. I've got an orange, kind of a yellow-orange ombre design here. I've got a pink ombre design here, and a blue ombre design. And this is done with just regular acrylic paint. You just want to, paint 3 or 4 shades of the same color, going from lightest to darkest. I had so much fun with these, I just have to tell you. I spray painted it green, and then I just used white acrylic paint to kind of add like a flocking, snowy effect, and then put a little bow on top. So you can get really creative with these. Okay, this is really cool. This is where it gets really cool. Let me show you different things that you can use as a base to make your pine cone Christmas trees. Wine corks. I mean, really, wine corks. You can put a wine cork on the bottom of your painted pine cone, and look at how adorable this is. I don't know if you can see it from there. Look at how adorable that is. And super easy. Wine corks, depending on how your week has been, you may have quite a few laying around the house. Another idea you can use is these little clay pots. You can paint them, and then once you've got your pine cone decorated, you can actually glue it to your little terracotta pot. I chose to use like a craft glue because my my hot glue gun, like the glue just dried way too fast before I can even glue it. So I would use a craft glue if you're going to attach these to the terracotta pot. Something else you just may have laying around the house, don't ask me why, but I had a lot of wine, bottle tops. But if you've got water bottle tops, wine bottle tops, you can just spray paint these and just hot glue them to the bottom, and it also serves as a base. So super easy. I mean, how stinking adorable are these? Let's just take it a step further. Let's just say you're hosting Christmas dinner for your entire family. If you sit Cousin Peter next to, let's just say Cousin Paul, Cousin Peter is going to bring up that Cousin Paul never paid him back his $20 that he loaned him back in 1975. And that always makes for great conversation, right? Just to keep the peace, maybe you can use these as place settings, okay? Let's just stick Aunt Mary in between, and she'll help keep the peace. So you can also use these as place settings. Very cute. And then it's something for your family, your guests, to take home at the end of the evening when it's time for them to go, and they'll have something to remember the family Christmas together. I really hope that you like these ideas. Like I say, they're easy, inexpensive, and I really think it's something you can incorporate. I hope that these ideas have got your creative juices going. Have a happy holiday, a very Merry Christmas, and get crafting, people.